Hello, my name is John Clark. I'm a graduate of Morehouse College. I it was going to Morehouse. I chose it because I just thought in the long term it was the best decision. So I chose Morehouse based on its legacy for producing strong, phenomenal African American leaders, for its links to the community, and really to learn more about my forefathers and our contributions to the United States. When I was looking at schools, I was narrowing it down between 17 universities. So in my top four was Stanford, Morehouse, University of Chicago, and Princeton. And I just wanted to be in a strong liberal arts environment that focused on things that were relevant to me. And I thought Morehouse was the best choice. One of the most important things that I learned while at Morehouse was the diversity of our people. We come in all shapes and sizes from all parts of this globe. So I had a close friend who was half Senegalese and Spanish. I had friends from Trinidad, Brazil, from Alabama, from Texas, and from California. And you just learn that being African American and part of our experience is just the diversity, and that we come from all parts of the globe, speak several languages, obviously, based on our background sometimes, and whether it's Creole from Louisiana or the South Carolina Gull Islands or French or English or Spanish. And I think one of the lifelong legacies and things that got instilled in my mind in terms of lifelong lessons is that when you go to an HBCU and a school like Morehouse, you really invest in a lifelong network of friends and people with the same values. And one of the most important values we learned at Morehouse is that the race is not given to the swift or the strong, but he that perseveres into the end. And it's taught throughout the classes, and in the obligatory world history course, you learn about General Thomas Alexander Dumas, who was one of Napoleon's best generals. You learn about Toussaint Louverture. You learn about Alexander Dumas, the son of General Thomas Alexander Dumas, who wrote the Three Musketeers. And a lot of this history is not taught in other universities, and it doesn't instill that confidence in being black and being African American, and that's priceless. So it's always good to catch up with a guy, especially in my line of work. I'm in international economics. Catch up with one of my fellow Morehouse alums or HBCU alums who has that perspective, who's in London, and you just feel like you're home even though you're thousands of miles away. Or when I'm in Sao Paulo, Brazil, and one of my Morehouse alum friends works at Merck, and he's a mid-level manager, and we can just talk about Morehouse and everything we learn in that whole brotherhood and experience. And that's really what HBCUs offer, that great experience and that alumni network that's really unique. Thank you for your time.